Welcome to Claudix AI training video series. In this tutorial we are going to show how to use all image tools in Claudix AI. Go to the left menu and click on Create option. And a pop-up menu will open. Here you can create many type of AI graphics stuff. Click on AI graphics. Here you can create stunning visuals and layouts from text. You just need to enter your desired prompt, select AI engine and choose optional design style. Now just click on Generate Result and your result will be ready. You can download, edit or save the result. Click on Concept Generator. Here you can get unique design ideas, layouts, color palettes, and add angles from a simple product description. Just enter the prompt and your design idea will be ready. You can copy or download it for further use. Now click on Style Transfer and Design Remix. Just upload any design to extract its DNA and remix it into fresh variations with AI. All you have to do upload a design and just see the magic of AI. And your result will be ready. Click on Design Rebuilder. Here you can turn any design into layers. You just have to upload any screenshot, ad, or package design and our AI will rebuild it into editable layers like a pro tool. Just upload the image and it will convert your images into editable layers. Click on Product Mockup Generator. Here you can create your mockup for any product. Just upload the product image from local. Describe your product in short. Choose style for your mockup. And your result will be ready within moments. Perfect and professional. Now click on UI sections. Here you can create or generate UI of your projects. You can generate custom UI sections like testimonials, pricing, hero banners, and CTAs etc. Just add all required details like section type, color scheme, section title, section description etc. and you will see the power of AI in clicks. Click on AI Bundle Visualizer. Here you can auto-generate 3D bundle visuals from AI graphics. You can create a dynamic bundle layout featuring product boxes, icons, charts, and abstract assets all with a 3D look. And your result will be ready. You can generate a complete brand identity for your business by using our Brand Identity Auto Creator. By just adding few details and your result will be generated. You can also customize the result if you want. Thanks for watching the video.